In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw crypto from Bitunix. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitunix, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses. To create your account, you simply have to enter your email address right here and set a password, or use one of these options, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you can immediately go up here to the welcome bonuses. Right after the sign-up, you can pick up right here your first bonus. Then after you've deposited and made your first trade, again 2 new bonuses. Also, you can open a mystery box right here. The more you then trade over time, the higher of a bonus you can get right here. And down below at the bottom, you can also see, depending on how much you deposit over time, you can get an additional bonus which gets up to $5,000. So to withdraw any crypto, you simply go up here to your wallet symbol and then click on spot account. Then up here, click on withdraw. Then right here, select the coin you want to withdraw. In my case, I'm going to use USDT. Then choose a network. Make sure to choose the same network as from the exchange or wallet you're sending the money to. In my case, I'm going to use the Tron network. Then right in here, paste the address you copied from your own wallet or the other exchange where you want to send the money. And then down here, type in the amount you want to withdraw. You will also see your balance right here. So I'm just going to choose all. And then all I need to do is just click down here on withdraw, and the money will be sent immediately and will be received within a few minutes. And I recommend you, if you're sending larger amounts or you're doing something like that for the first time, make sure to send a small amount first. And once you received everything, just send the remaining amount with a second transaction. Don't forget to pick up your special sign-up bonus with up to $5,500 of welcome bonuses by simply using the first link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.